so here it is. Still raining. I'm sure I look like a drowned rat, but the rain keeps coming down, and I'm losing the battle as far as rooming this out into the pool. Oh shit. Look at this. Look at this. Unfucking believable. I'm telling you, I need gutters. Make sure I get gutters. That's the next phone call I'm going to make on Monday. I need gutters. Oh, shit.
I think my idea wasn't
Yeah, well, go ahead. Give it your best shot. Oh. No. There we go. There we go. And there it goes. There we go. The swans, they like the water. Yep, and we're back here again as it pours down. You're stronger than I am. Might be letting up. I can't tell. There's no more. Well, yeah, there's wind. So, I guess, don't fall in the pool. I know you can't swim. Well, you know, you probably, there we go. There we go. It's lightening up. Right? Right? Positive thinking on my part. It's lightening up. Yeah, okay. Yeah. There's I love the rain, Gabby, who I'll share this with Sal, and we'll both punch him in the face, huh, Gabby? Oh, you broke it too. All right, it's letting up. Let's wait a second, okay? Yeah, right. Here it comes down. It's coming down harder. Move. And there's the thunder and lightning. I wonder if we're gonna, well. Oh, right in the, got bounced right in the head with like 10 gallons of water. All right, Gabby, don't have a heart attack, okay? The pool's almost full. And it is I want to say it's letting up. Whoa, that was the wind. Did you hear that? It was like Batman went by. Only it was a wind gust. How are we doing over here? Well, I'd say the pool is going to get filled up. Okay, let's see. Is there break in the action? No, my iPhone's just getting wet. Okay, that's it. That's it. Enough. No mas. No mas. That's it. That's it. We love the rain. Say, we love the rain. Come on. 1, 2. We love the rain. Yes, and there we go.
There's the wet rat, me.
Okay, so, and the camera's going too, so bye-bye.